What's up, y'all? Michael here. Lil King Fisher in the back. We can't stay away from Laurel Park. School's out. First day of school. First day of no school. We up here at Laurel Park gonna get on them bass again. We're gonna get lucky and get one of them big largemouths today. Stay tuned. All right, Ryder's first cast. Hold on. He'll come back. Get him. Take your time, bro. You loosen drag up just a little bit? Huh? All right. Break your line, bend your hook out. See? Oh. All right. Needs to be a little bit more. Maybe some more? I don't know. Stay there. All right. That's a good one. Don't get no slack. Largemouth. Oh my gosh. Look what Ryder done caught. Golly. You the man. Lil King Fisher.
That's my PB right there.
PB out of there?
Yeah, my PB large one.
Oh.
How much do you think it weighs?
I don't know.
Hey, I got my scale.
Well, go get it. Look at that guy. Lil King Fisher on it this morning. He ain't playing no game. We ain't worried about it. Let's don't worry about it. I got the keys in my pocket. I don't want him to die. All right, well, he couldn't find his scale, but hold him up. Look, look, hold him like that, straight, so I can see. Yeah. Good job, Ryder. Let him go. Let's watch him swim off. Good job. Number 2 coming up, hopefully. Hopefully. I don't think he's gonna be as big as Ryder's big old largemouth.
Is he a large one?
No, I think he's spot.
Oh, I just saw him right off. Oh, look at that. That's a big one.
No, it ain't. Ain't decent. Number 2, number 2. Nice. Lil King Fisher on his second one here. The bite is good this morning. Need a little bitty. Bet there's 2 or 3 around him, huh?
What's in there?
I don't have none. Hang on, get him. Go get him. Give me it. Go get him. I know, look here, hold him up. What, the line broke?
Okay.
No, it's right there. Hold him up. Let me see it.
He got a sore on him.
Let him go.
There's 2 or 3 around him?
I don't know. Let go of him, right? Let's go. Ryder done hooked up with another Lil King Fisher on it. Sound like a big one. He's running drag out. He going, ain't he? Ain't we ain't no hurry, are we? Largemouth coming up. Oh, he's way out there, huh? Keep him tight, because that brim pulling down on your line got your line loose. Cute. I think it's a spot. I think I've seen it. I think it's a spot. Come over here, but keep winding. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Don't give no slack while you walk.
What is it?
Spot. We need to tighten and drag it just a little bit. Something, I don't know. It's a largemouth. Go get him. Well, you on the largemouth. Hold him tight. Golly, boy, you wearing him out. Get him away from the water. Get him away from the water. Gosh, boy.
I'm wearing all the biggies.
Lil King Fisher. On it, ain't he? I'm telling you. Golly, Ryder.
Catching only biggins.
I know it. You're catching all the big old largies.
Is this my pee-pee?
Golly, Ryder.
Is
Look
that
at,
my pee-pee?
look at Mr. Jones.
Is that bigger than the first one?
I don't know. Here. Ow. Good job, Ryder. What's your pole?
Let's watch them.
Let's watch. You the man. You're gonna have to give me some lessons. How much you charge? You got me hung up. No, he's on. He had me wrapped. This is a big one, right?
Huh?
It's gonna be a big one here.
I
Look, he's coming up. Like a spot, didn't it?
don't think so. I'm gonna have them real tight. As tight as I can with both hands.
Well, you gonna lip him?
Yeah, with both hands.
All right, but don't let go. Don't let the hook get. Don't
But
let
if
the.
he does, look, I do accidentally let him go, he's gonna be on your pole, right?
Well, he probably the hook come out if you let go of him, probably. So just don't let go.
Or
Big old spot.
oh, it's giant.
Big old spot. You better not let go of him if you lip him. When you pull him on the bank, you're gonna lip him.
You pull him on the bank and I'll lift him. Get on him.
Look at it. Gosh. Look at that, fellas. That's a good one.
Got a sore on his tail.
Hey. All right, release. Had probably 4 pound, ain't it? Let him go. Hurry up. Battery running dead. Take time with him.
We need to go on the ramp. I can't land this one.
You drag set? It's about to be in your hook.
Michael, we need to go on the ramp.
Has he got you hung around something?
No.
Don't pull real hard. Take your time. Take time, take time, take time. Oh, spoon. Bring him over here.
What is it?
You just took him right in that rider. Your line's about to break. Spot.
What is it?
Spot. Nice kid, right? Number 9. Chalky.
Look at my breath.
Got another big largemouth, ain't you?
Third crack.
Take your time now. Slice hooks we got. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, he's all in them rocks. Come over here, pull him up. You the largemouth. Man, you caught so many largemouth today, it's crazy. Don't have.
I got it.
Well, get him. Get him.
You.
Huh?
He swallowed it.
He did.
No,
Nah. Did you get it? Did you get
it
it?
was barely hooked.
I hear you.
He was barely hooked.
Good job, right?
Little baby.
Look at this boy, man. He's wearing out largemouth today. Awesome, Ryder. Come here, release. Hurry up.
Was this the Lil King Fisher?
Hurry up. Lil King Fisher. Wearing them out. He's having a seminar next week. I bet it's a largie.
Hey, come here, giant, dude. Look at that.
I like that stance.
Oh, yeah.
Another largie. Nice spot. Big old spot. You gonna hold him up? Spot.
Oh, that's big. Oh, my Lord.
That's a big old spot you caught. Good job, man.